Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my
And we're back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? If you all brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you are brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these videos. Alright guys, today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a vlog style video. Yeah, I just got done working out, but we gotta go to J&M. I gotta drop off a pair of shoes. Oh, before we go real quick, I am officially a part of the CAPSOLE family. I believe I get my confirmation email this afternoon with the promo code number. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will be showing it off again. If you guys haven't seen the video, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to the video where it explains what this product is doing. Like I said, this product pretty much expands the life of your sneakers. You know, the grails that you love that you don't really wear like that, this is the product for that shoe. But we'll get more into this in a little while. Right now, like I said, we gotta go to J&M. I gotta go get an oil change. I gotta get an inspection. Gotta pick up the kids from school. Yeah, we got a few things to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. So this is what we're going with today. What the fours.
We gotta pack them. We gotta put them in the cheap belt. They're safe.
Yeah, you know, we had to stop for our coffee. Yep. All right, we're gonna head to. Oh, I gotta turn this down before I get in trouble. Yeah. We're gonna head to get the car oil changed, get the car inspected, get the car washed, and then we'll head to J&M. And then I believe after that we gotta pick up the girls. And then after that, what are we doing?
Christmas tree? No, that would be oxymoron. Get a tree after you wash the car.
Get a tree after you wash the car.
That's stupid. Tree bristles everywhere.
Alright, you know what? We'll just let the day play. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so we're gonna come back in the morning. The wait is over an hour, so they got like 3-4 cars on the lifts already, so I think we'll just, I guess, head to J&M and then pick up the girls and then see where the day takes us. Yeah, let's get out of here. Alright guys, come on, let's get out of here. We made it here safely, guys. Alright, so we're headed to J&M. I'm not quite sure if they have anything, you know, for us to review, but we'll definitely check it out, see what they got. Oh, what's up, gentlemen? How are you? I fucking, you know, I forgot I had these. I seen them in the corner, and I'm like, you know what happened? Because I know my guys got everything and everything. Sorry, boss. Yeah, these are so fire, man. I might have to, you know, pick these back up. Yeah, see, there really wasn't much to, you know, we reviewed everything that they have in store, so let's see. I forgot, we got a pair of ones at home. Oh, I totally forgot about those. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna head back to the house. Well, we're gonna go pick up the girls now and then head back to the house. I forgot about those ones. We're gonna check those out. All right, guys, just getting back from picking the girls up. I didn't want to bring the camera to the school. You know, I don't know how, you know, they are nowadays with cameras in schools and whatever. But I did mention this pair of Jordan 1s that it actually says Shadow ones on it. This is not the box, obviously, but this pair I regret giving up, man. I think I got them from J&M a few years back, but yeah, it's the UNC off-whites. Ooh, man, these are so fire, bro. I don't know, I had a brand new pair, and why did I go and give them up? I really don't know. I guess things weren't as, you know, as good as they are right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these are so fresh. I actually have the Chicago colorway as well. But yeah, man, these are sick. You guys like these? These are actually Isaiah's. Huge shout out to Isaiah. Probably get some flicks with these on as well. I want to clean them up first though. I gotta clean them up real nice. I got some what do I got over there? This the pure sneaker cleaner. Clean it right out. Also too, I got where we were just at, J&M Sneakers. They got their own sneaker cleaner as well. Maybe I'll use this. Sneaker Necessities, all in one. I took this from them a while back. I just never used it. Maybe I'll use it on this. But the only thing that I don't like about these is basically the translucent plastic mesh or whatever you want to call it. It gets that yellow tint to it. Basically all the white on here gets, except for this right here, where it has the off-white logo, the Beaverton, Oregon, USA. That's the only part that really doesn't turn yellow. Other than that, every other part of the shoe that is white actually turns yellow. I mean, I guess it gives it that dope, authentic look, you know what I mean? Because when did these drop? These came back out in 2017. Wow. 6 years ago. Almost 7. That's insane. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think of these guys? Did you guys enjoy the vlog today? I know it wasn't too crazy, a little mini vlog, but I just wanted to get some content out there for you guys. What do we got coming in? I think we got the Amamanier. Is it the Dawn? Yeah, the Dawn. I think it's the Dawn. If not Dawn, the Dusk. Either one. They're both dope, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that, because that review on foot is coming as well. If you haven't seen the Kobe Reverse Grinch, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that, to that review and on foot. And you can check those out, because they did that shock drop yesterday, which was really, really annoying. It was a shock drop, but then it was you got to join the draw. Then I read somewhere they only put out 40,000 pairs. That's just insane, man. And then the bots and whatever the case is. Also, guys, I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Capsole. I'm officially a brand ambassador for the company. So once my code is up to date, I'll leave the links. Everything will be in the description. I believe you guys get 20% off of your purchase anytime you use my code. So if you're interested, the links will be in the description. This is pretty dope. Like I said, if you haven't seen this video, you can click the link at the top of the screen and check that video out. But it'll show you, everything, basically what this does. Like I said, it preserves the life of your sneakers, especially your grails that you don't wear all the time. Also, guys, too, before we cut out, remember, if you have a second, can you please do me a favor? The link is in the top of the description down below, Supreme Sneakerhead. If I win, I become, obviously, Supreme Sneakerhead, and I get a trip to LA, plus $10,000 they give me, and I design my own shoe, which is going to be pretty dope as soon as I win this competition. So please do me a favor, hit those vote links down below. I truly appreciate you guys. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.